Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. One thing that I've been asked about a lot is, can you cook frozen ready meals in the air fryer, or as you might call them, TV dinners, or meals for one, or whatever name you give them. I've done frozen lasagna a few times and shared with you a video and a recipe for that, but I've never actually gone any further beyond the frozen lasagna. So I decided to get a few ready meals and put them to the test in the air fryer to see how they compare to the oven cook times. So I've got a beef dinner, your air fry basket, because some of these ready meals that I see, especially the ones in Iceland, tend to be quite big. And then a little tip here, frozen Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer take just 4 minutes in total from frozen. So make sure you remove your little cute little Yorkshire, because otherwise it'll end up severely overcooked in the air fryer. So just have it so that's what's going on. And then open your air fryer basket. Really have to ram this one down. This is my point, you know, a lot of them will not fit a standard air fryer size. This is a Philips XL, and look, it's really pushing it to fit it in. And then back on, and you're looking for a cook time of 15 minutes and a temperature of 180 Celsius, which is 360 Fahrenheit. And we've beeped. And we've beeped. So let's check out our dinner so far then. So this is the roast beef dinner. And as you can see, the potatoes, the carrots and the peas and the beef are starting to defrost now. So now we're going to put it back on, but we're going to put it on for just 10 minutes, because then after 10 minutes, we can add in our Yorkshire pudding that's kind of not gone in yet because it'll cook too quick. So we're just leaving that to one side for now. And then back in it goes. And 10 minutes, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then we can add in the Yorkie and add the last couple of minutes of cook time. And we've beeped. Wow, this looks fantastic. So now all that's left now is to add in your Yorkshire pudding anywhere that it'll fit, and then we'll put it back on again for its final 4 minutes, and then it'll be done. And we've beeped. And wow, that is your roast beef dinner cooked in the air fryer from Frozen. And then it's perfect for serving for dinner for one. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.